Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll be playing Roblox. So I got my webcam here and I'm recording the screen. So let's get started. We're gonna go to Roblox. And I'm gonna play Meep City because I want to show you guys my house. Not really my house. I actually got this bike thingy, like this big wheel in Meep City. I want to show you guys. It was 5,000 coins, and I stayed up. So I probably until 12. I stayed up until 12. Start from 11 to save up money for this thing, and I did, and I got it today. I got the pink one because my favorite color is pink. So yeah, so I got it, and so I'm gonna show you guys it, and it's so cool. And I'm a kid in Meep City because the big wheel looks better when you're a kid. It looks like you go. Okay. So we're in Meep City. And I'll show you guys with the bike. It's just loading. You can see. And as you can see, I spent mostly all my money on it. It's taking a little bit to load. Okay. It's driving around in it. But this is my house. It was 999 Robux, and it's 2 stories. And flowers. It took so long to get all these flowers. Ooh. It took so long to get all these flowers. Yeah, it's loading. And I'm also a plus. I have scooter, pink roller skates, and this big wheel. Okay, so let me show you guys the big wheel. So this is what it looks like from behind. And then, and this is what it looks like. It looks so, I love it. So let's go around and see what people think of my big wheel. Honestly, so cool.